Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Keurig K-Duo Special Edition coffee maker. So on the left, we can brew a full 12 cup pot of coffee, or we can brew a single serve K-Cup on the right hand side. So up here at the top we do have a clock. We can program this coffee maker to come on and fix a pot of coffee in the morning, but we cannot program it for a single serve. So we lift it up here. This is where you're going to put your K-Cup. Single needle on top, single needle on the bottom, close the lid. Now when you first start it, you got to turn it on. You're going to select either K-Cup or carafe. It cannot do both at the same time. So if we want to do a carafe, we can do 6, 8, 10, or 12 cups on the carafe side. On the K-Cup side, we can do 6, 8, 10, 12 ounces. I really do like the carafe. It's very easy. We got this brew basket. It does have a warming plate. We've got this really nice carafe, and there's the warming plate. So on the carafe, you will need to put a paper filter in, an 8 to 12 cup paper basket style filter in. You can also put a reusable filter in there, but not both at the same time. 8 to 12 cup. There's what the brew head looks like. Now around back, we do have a water reservoir. We can remove this water reservoir. It is removable, and we can put a water filter on there if we'd like. The water filter would help with the taste if you have a bunch of chlorine in your water, but you do not need a water filter in order to operate the coffee maker. Okay, so let's brew a K-Cup real quick. It's a really fast coffee maker. You're just going to put it in there. When you close it, it'll pierce the top and the bottom. Again, select K-Cup. I brew mine on 8 ounces. It'll say 8 ounces, then press the brew button. It's a really fast coffee maker. It will start brewing right away. Now the coffee coming out of there is really hot, so be careful. About 185. Okay, so in less than a minute, you've got a cup of coffee that is about 168 degrees. That's really hot, but it does taste really good. Now it does have a water tank in there, so sometimes you may hear it heating up the water inside it. So let's brew some coffee. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of coffee in this filter basket for every cup I'm going to brew. Now again, the minimum you can brew is 6 cups, 8 cups, 10 cups, or 12 cups. That's if you want to do a full pot. Let's just do 6 cups. Okay, so I put 6 tablespoons of coffee in there. If I was going to do 12, I would do 12 tablespoons. You got to close the lid. Now we're going to press the carafe button, and let's do the 6, and it changes the display to 6 cups. And just press the center button and it starts brewing right away. Okay, so I started a stopwatch. We'll time it and see how long it takes. Now you will hear a pump when you're brewing coffee on the carafe side, and you will hear the water heating up. There is a reservoir that's heating up the water and then putting it over the coffee grounds. Let's just take a sneak peek. Yep, there's work. It's doing a good job. Now this does have a plunger that'll come down, so if I remove the carafe, I could get a quick cup of coffee and then put it back, and it'll continue to brew. Yep, let's just take a sneak peek. Yep, it's doing a good job. Okay, so in about 4.5 minutes, I've got 6 cups of coffee. Let's see how the carafe pours. Yeah, it pours really nice. So this makes a great tasting cup of coffee that's really hot. Cleanup is super simple. When you're done, you can take the K-Cup out. I really do like being able to brew a full pot of coffee in a single serve K-Cup. I hope this video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.